Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be making some simple easy hairstyles. So first here we are making some cute hairstyle for the kids. So first make a heart shape on the top. Now take the hairs on the sides and join them. Now tie them on the back by dividing the hairs. Make the plaits and fold it and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the hairs on the sides. Now divide them into small sections. Now divide the hairs on the back like this and tie it. After that, divide it into two parts after rotating it. Make the plaits on it and join it on the sides. Make a heart shape on the back, tie it and it's ready. Next, we will tie the hairs by dividing it into three sections. Now make the plaits on the sides as we are making. Follow the same procedure for the other side as well. After that, we will join the hairs on the back by leaving few sections like this. Join it one by one as we are joining. After that, fix all the hairs together and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the ponytail. Now, divide the hairs into four parts and make the plaits. So, join it as we are making. So, watch the video till the end to know the process and to get the same results. After we are done with the plaits, fix it and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs like this on the sides. Then make the plaits on it by taking the hairs from the front and the back as well. Follow the same process for the other side. Make the plaits. After that, we will tie all the hairs together and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the hairs on the sides and make the plaits like this. Again, take small section of the hairs, tie it and make the plaits. So here we will make a heart-like shape on the back and fix it and it's ready. Thanks for watching.